Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Christmas Kuromi, so let's get started. To draw this super cute bunny, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a slant, a little angle coming down, and then we're going to round it off with the bottom of a U. So I'm going to go down, kind of like add a little bit of a slant as well, and round it off and connect. There. Then I'm going to come right across, so say about this wide, and we're going to draw the same thing. So go up at a slant to give her that mischievous look, and once again we're just going to come down, a slight slant, same, and connect. There. So now that we have the eyes in, let's go back in here. I'm just going to shade this all in black. And now that I've shaded it in, I'm going to come back to the top following this angle. I'm just going to continue it out to draw her lashes. So I'm just going to draw one curve and then another one right next to it. So same thing over here. There. So now that her eyes in, let's go in between her eyes and we're going to draw a little oval for the nose. So say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and start a little oval for a pink little nose. There. And then let's give her a sweet smile. So right underneath her nose, we're just going to draw a curve. And I'm just going to slight mine up a little bit just to give her that cute look and cap it off. There. Then from there we need to frame her face. So I'm going to come back to the center, say about right here, right in the middle. I'm just going to give myself a point. From there I'm going to draw two angle lines going up. So about right here, I'm going to go up and up on this side as well. If my Sharpie would work. Okay, so now I have these two angle lines. From there, I'm going to go round the eyes. I'm going to round it off. I'm just going to start to go around the eyes. So same thing here. I'm just going to curve around the eyes. We're just drawing the opening of her little hoodie that she's wearing. And then we're going to bring it down around her eyes. And then I'm going to come back to the center just so it's easier for me to draw. I'll say about right here. I'll give myself a point. That's kind of where I want it to end. So I'm going to bring this in. So definitely turn your body or the paper to help you draw this a little bit better. So I'm going to bring this in. Right here, I'm going to straighten out and then connect. Sorry, I'm going a little bit slow because this part is very delicate. So I just want to make sure I have that in. And it's always harder because I'm drawing kind of big. Okay, so basically that's the idea. We just want it nice and round so we have an opening for her face. There. Now that we have that in, we can go ahead and fluff it up. So I'm going to go right back to my center, go up a little bit, say about right here. And I'm just going to draw all the way around it, but using curves just to make it look fluffy, because this is a holiday inspired Kuromi. So I just want to make this look like the white fluffy part. So I'm going to go around and just draw a bunch of curves. If you're not comfortable drawing these curves, you can just make it nice and smooth. So I'm going to come about right here and I'm going to start to taper it in as I come down towards here. I'm going to start to taper it in because I need to finish it off right underneath just to give a tiny little border right here and continue. There. Okay, so now that I have that in, we can go ahead and finish off her head. So now I'm going to taper this. So I'm just going to imagine this big, round, ovalish head. And we're going to go up. So say about, oh, I went a little bit too high, huh? Okay, so let's say, I'm just going to go up. I think it's a little bit easier for my hand. So I'm going to go up to say about how high I want her head to be. So I'll say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve coming down. So play around with it. See if it's easier for you to draw this way or go up. From there, I'm going to bring this down to draw this ovalish head and bring it in. I'm going to taper this in. There. So I made it a little too wide on that side. And same thing over here. See, I do mess up all the time, so please forgive me. But I will definitely clean up all my mess. Okay, so now I can bring this part in and taper it in. There, now I finally got her head in. Then from there, we need to come back to the center and we're going to draw the skull. So right in the center right here, I'm just going to give myself a little line for the teeth part of our skull and then go up on both sides. And then we're just going to draw this circular oval shape for the head of our skull right there. And then two eyes. So just kind of like two ovals at a slant. And same thing here. And then almost forgot two little lines right here. There. Okay, and then the most important part are her ears. So in this area right here, I'm going to come about right here and just draw two angle lines. And then I'm going to find the center. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to angle it out to about right here. Give myself a point and just go ahead and connect it. So you see how high you want it. And that's where you give yourself a point. Makes it a little bit easier to find the center. Oh my goodness. It is not a good day today. And you should have turned my body. Okay, there. And then at the top, we're going to draw a circle. There. Okay, so we're going to draw the same thing on the other side. So hopefully the other side is much better. Just going to give myself a point right here. And same thing here on the other side, right here. Once again, I'm going to find my center, go up. Say about right here, just like the other side. Just going to drag a point across about right there. And then we're going to connect it. There, okay. And then from there, we're going to once again draw a circle right at the tip. There. And then now to spruce it up even more, to make it more festive, let's come back in this space right here in her ear, and we're going to draw 3 circles for these holly berries. Just going to stack them up and then draw some leaves. So we're just going to curve, curve, and curve. Bring it in, and then one more on this side. There. So same thing over here, just 3 circles. It's all up to you how you want to decorate your Kuromi. And but hopefully this inspires you. Once again, 3 curves and another leaf. There. Okay. And like I said, I'm going to go in there and clean that all up. And so then from there, hopefully that's not distracting you. Then from there, let's draw her body. So once again, we're going to come down to our center and say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And then I'm going to come to the sides, kind of about right here and here, giving myself some points. And then just to help me draw her gesture collar right here. So I'm going to come out with 2 angle lines on both sides. And then I'm going to, this is going to be my center. So I just want to keep that in mind. Bring in 1 angle, down, and go back up to my center. Then same thing right here. Just going to follow that, go back up, and connect. There. And then we're going to draw, let's see, let me come in here with some circles for the tips. And then let's draw her little winter outfit. So say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw an angle line coming down on both sides. And so now we're pretty even. I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve all the way across. And I'm going to come out right here, pop it out, give a little bit of wobble right here as well. Give a little bit of wobble. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it. So just connect it with a bunch of curves, just like her hoodie. There, nice and warm and soft. And then her legs. So find your center, just make sure the legs are in between. So about right here, I'm going to come out on both sides. I'm going to draw a line. Let's work on this side first. So about right here. Another line, and I'm going to pop it out a little bit and connect. So same thing here. Line down, and then come out about right here, just like the other side. Give it a little bit angle, pop it out, and connect. There. Nice and simple for the legs. Then let's come back to her sleeves. I'm going to come about right here. And then in this area, I'm going to cut it off and add a little poof as well, and then her hands. So same thing here. Give a little poof for her outfit and the hands. There. And then in the center, and add circles, or since I need to put a heart, to make this my Draw So Cute Kuromi, I'm going to put one right here. And then another, should I put another heart? Okay, I'll put another heart, why not? There, to decorate it. But that is pretty much it, and I will come in here real quick and erase this. And this part as well. It's not a good day. Even my whiteout pen is running out. And oops, I just realized I forgot her tail. So let's go ahead and finish off her tail right here. I'm just going to pop it in. Like I said, it's just one of those days. Everything goes wrong. Okay, finally done. There, all done. Hopefully all done, and I have no more things to change or add. Thanks so much for watching, cuties, and I will see you soon.